So I've taken this off. I've taken the bars off, which the bars I'm talking about are right here. There's the screws and stuff for that. Okay, got this stuff. I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna replace these. And what's this?
That gasket comes out.
Okay.
Straight up.
Okay, so what we're doing next, while we have this off and there's more room, we're going to replace the valve cover.
It's the wrong one.
Okay. So when you're doing this, we made a mistake. Okay, so our mistake is I have to put the blue ones back down because, let's see, I think it was 350W and it's supposed to be 351Z. So they don't fit. So what I'm doing is putting everything back the way it was. No problems. As long as I don't drop anything, no problems. So now I'm replacing the nuts back on it and we'll finish the other stuff I was working on. Alright. Get that out of the way. We'll put you right there. just don't feel like it's right.
Yep, just push it down. There you go. That's it. That's good.
Alright, so I'm gonna need a new one of these. And I don't know what the heck that was, but... So should I go ahead and take it off?
I'd go ahead and take it off, so maybe you go to... you might be able to find the Advance in all these places.
Yeah.
You know.
Ooh, it is long. I wasn't expecting that. It's probably smaller. Yeah.
Hard to pull.
Yeah. Oh, come up with like nothing.
Alright, I don't know what that is.
So, okay. We don't know what this is. This is a part we have no idea what it is.
So, grab brake cleaner.
So what happened was this broke at some point in time, and my granddaddy looks like he put what? JV weld on it or something? Something to make it hard where it wouldn't leak. So. That's what happens when you deal with old parts. You know?
I don't know what that is.
We'll figure it out. Hopefully somebody at the auto store will know or something.
You gotta take that to the auto store. What is this?
Let me see your book you bought me. All about Ford Mustangs 1973 Mach 1. Everything and anything you need to know is right there in the handbook.
Let's see if we can find it.
Problem is, do you know how to read the handbook? It don't look promising. Why?
There's not enough pictures.
There's not enough pictures. And it's an old Mustang. A classic muscle car. American. It's not that. Nope, nope. Is it that? Is it that?
You know what you need to do? I got you.
Why you gotta go on my phone and do it?
Because you're gonna join a Mustang.
Ooh, I'm joining a Mustang group. Woohoo! So basically, what I'm gonna do now is just go in there and I'm gonna put the carburetor, my new carburetor, in there where it belongs until I get whatever that thing is. Figure out what it is and get a new one. So basically, I'm gonna hook everything back up so I know where it goes. Working on this. That's what they were doing.
I think my mama, my daddy, my granddaddy would be so proud of me. Ah, yes.
Smell of old